Model, 2019 Ford Transit Custom 2.0TD 130PS 340 Limited Front-Wheel Drive HEV L1H2. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 65,181. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 130 PS. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts and the engine is fine, only the turbo needs replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is extremely clean and tidy. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is extremely clean and tidy, very well looked after van. First to see will definitely buy. Features: 0 former keepers, 2 keys, air con, electric windows, parking sensors, cruise control. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £14,895 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0